lang ma choi bo ki feeling mani bo
그 탕동 위보 하얀 맛이 쇼위보
Hello there, haino hai jotno khulumbai kha rangcha khani nai tongnai joto ani mare kiching tai khapang ta hokte bhuk song norok no haino hai lamsogo chini khorang ni tini haino hai te kaisa belano special panda song khajak haini bagai norok jotno khabu khoi lamsogo tini ni chini okok tisal ni horo haino hai chini oro phai sok pajak belano special guest norok borok no jotno siniwo borok belaino triprani tam chanai sin hastik nangai belano popular tai bongni samung rongno teina haino jeng jotono siniwo tai hamjakma boro bongno nge phaidi ang puilano chini tinini narwai haikeba guest rokno phaijak borok nang tabu lamsogane haike ang besi somoinai oi tabuk ani yagrao achujak tongo chini the Khathansa production ni founder Miss Sharmili Debbarma bona ang khabai khoi lamsogo
no hambai balake
nge phadi haino hai tinini chini tebo narwai no ching lamsok laine ama hakino bini logiwo tai khorokcha chini ani debra digi bo ta kebuya chini jotoni favorite bo belaino all over internet haike social media bo haino bo music ni hafaro habia sakangno bo already famous angjak ama hakino ang norni buskang bono sinumungna bakha thangi tongo bo angkha ta kebuya chini Miss Hamjakma Reang bono bahani ang puilano khabai khoi lamsogo
Melakena hambai.
Okay, abani logio haino hai te khoroksa bini gana tongo Mr. Adong Jamatia but recently he is the winner of Mega Mr. Northeast 2023 okay abono te bahani bono pula kha ka hamya faro abon logi chungchini tinini tai khoroksa narwai Adong Jamatia no bahani belanya khabai khoi lamsogo
hambai belake chini khorang no
nge phadi chini paithakni tai khoroksa narwai bono bahaino ang nor nibus kong sinmungrunai tai bono bolam soknai botai ke buya belaino tripura haseo kobrok music video ba kobrok song ni kari bahaino khoroksa chini tai khoroksa kiching ba sin tai khoroksa pal bono bahaino ang lam soknai botai ke buya chini takhok Novonil Chakma one and only the famous singer in Tripura bono bang haino lam soknai.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Nge phadi cheng to sinung to na lakha tabuk tinini pana to belan interesting nai tam ni ngake cheng nuki man kha chini Khathansa production ni bekhakte haikaba chini by Sharmila ni bekhakte haino hai te kaisa most romantic and the most awaited music videos ng chini bus kang nuki man kha ablo tei bahaino ang tau chini by ni bekhakte thai thani saiman lainai by ang no pulan sangna musungo Khathansa production nai nang bahage wan sugi nang of production khuluk mani babu business mi of production khulugui nang music video khaimani jeng
malake hambai actually jefru ang Khathansa chengna thango a time abong gange 2005 जेफ्रो मिलिंग मालांग चेंजागो आबोनि परे हिंगांके 2007 हंके सरक बट आ टाइम आं साइजुं तंगमानिया आनि को-फाउंडर बो तंगमानि आबो ताबुंगांगे त चिनि बरम गनां एम सुहेल देबरमा बबो खातानसा प्रोडक्शन बने करंजाक तंगमानि बो को-फाउंडर जों बुमुं रिलायना थांतानि हिंगांके जेमन ताबु चिनि कक बर कक थाइबाय हिंगे तो खा माने न बखा गे थानसा माने न जों बखा थानसा के तंगलाय द मान न हेने आं आबनो लाइक रिमानि आबु मुनो जों वान सुकलाय रिलाय मानि बिकॉज सिनि बिसिंगो आं बेलायके ओ यूनिटी तंखांके हामजाक मानि सो आबोनि रगैनो आं खातानसा बुमु रिमानि देन आफ्रुन होयतेनो चेंजाखा
औ गे बाय ताबुक खातानसा प्रोडक्शन जों बिसि गदोंमा जरानसिमेन जों खाय फायमाय नखाबा गोबां कुक मोस्ट हिट कब्रक सॉन्ग बो जों ओ प्रोडक्शन थेकेन जों नुगि मानो ताबुक बायनों सायखना का जे तामसे का मिलिंग मालांचाव आनि अबका हमारो आबो ताबुक सा तिने हाइजराव 2023 तिनि बिहु पनेस और चामंग रंनो जों लुकुरनि खुगो जों रचामानि नगो ताइ पान्दा सबरगो जों मसालायमा उनो एन्जॉय खामनि नगि दंको ओंखाय आबोनि बिसिंतैनो तिनि जे एक्सक्लूसिव कताल म्यूजिक वीडियो हाय केबा ओ कताल प्रोजेक्ट नरंनि तु बुजागि तंमानि अबनो तै बहानि गेसा साइखना
आं एक्चुअली 2005 जेफ्रो स्टार्ट खलाइफ्रो मिलिंग मालांग बाय सरगनि पर आं अनेक इयर्स गेप नाखा तामनि हिमालय कचारानि स्टडी रगो तंमनि बट आं आबोनि परे 2017 नि होते तेहा चेंफि कानन खातांगनि होते देन आबोनि परे आं तो बसर रगै कायसा सिकारी जाग माहाय के दिस टाइम नि आनि समय हिंकांगै तो आं तेसा हाइनो हाय वान सुगिनो लाइक आं तो रोमांटिक जुनो न तंगमानि बाहाय दबा हामजां मुंनि बिसिं दिनो जोंबो करंलाय मा तंगबा कायसा बाय ते कायसा जों तो हामजां मुंनि बिसिं दिनो करंलाय बले गांके आबोनो तैनो आं हामजां मुनो तैनो आंखे तंकुगो आं फियाबा कबिको के डांस बिसे हामजां मानि फियाबा आंनि दाबो प्रोडक्शन नि बागै आं रोमांटिक न बेसि चूज खायो देन आनि समय बो माहाय न दाबो एकदम कताल एक्सक्लूसिव कताल फेस हामजां मा तो जतबानि सिनि जाग हाय दबा सिनि जाग तंफानो बिनि मखांनो तो बुइजो तो न सिनिउ गांके आई होप ओ म्यूजिक वीडियो आनि रसामुंग बाय एबा ताबा आं बुमुंग रिमा बाय तेबो नायथगानो देन आदुं गांके तो ऑलरेडी एकदम ताबुक नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि जे टाइटल मानि फाइमानि जे मेगा मिस्टर नॉर्थ ईस्ट सो ताबो बिनि क्रेज बेलायके तंगो ब्रेड बनो बेलायके हामजाको सांग आबनो किसातिया तामहिन हासनाय फनांनानै चाइतोखा सामुंगो फनांनानै चाइतोखा ताबो हंगे तै सिंगर रबो सेम न गांके आंगाबो न पाब्लिक रंग थाने आबो कोइने माने कोयुता जे लाइक आई होप न हामजागानो तै सका हमके नखां
sure बेलायनो नायथगनाय तै अनो लाइथांजा जराव जे खलाय फाइमा हायकेनो ओ रचाबुंग तै ओ एल्बम बो आंखा खायो बेलाय सक्सेसफुल नाय तामगो फाइदि आं त तिनि चिनि तै कुबु नारवाय फाइजाग रबो बहायनि जों थाइ कक सालायानो गे आं चिनि मिस हामजांमा रियां बत हाइनो जों पहिला बो जों बनो सावै रेखाता बायनि खक्ते खानाय मांखा बेलानि पपुलार ऑल ओवर इंटरनेट बिनि चामुं बिनि खरां बाय बो जतनि खावनो बो जागास नामिना जाक बा थाइ करंगिना जाक गे फाइदि आं पहिलान सोंनामो संगो बाहाय मा तंखा निनि अमतुनि फर्स्ट डेब्यूट म्यूजिक वीडियो गे बाहाय मा तंखा चिनि खाथानसे प्रोडक्शन बाय सामंग रख लायनि आबरो किसा साइखना
खां गांके बेलाय न खाकजां खा आं ते एक्सपीरियंस का हम बाहाय मांखा एस मानि ता फर्स्ट टाइम खाइतें त एक्टिंग और सिंगिंग तो आलादा बट एक्टिंग नि कैसा आनी तंगमानि ता दैट आं कैसा गाइड का हम माने आं शुरुआत खाइपुरु कैसा गाइड का हम सो दैट आनी एक्सपीरियंस ओलो फ्यूचर रक बहायनो आं आनी एक्सपीरियंस एड ऑन खानि आं यू नो फुनोगै साइमा मा जात सो बेलायखेनो आनी बागै काहाम एक्सपीरियंस खा बाय बहायनो प्रोफेशनल पर्सनली मार्केनो संनो माने काहाम के गाइड खायोता हंगांगे कुनु सायारंग खांगे बो क्रिटिसाइज खाइबु कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म रो हंगांगे आबनि बागै जों बेलायनो सोरंमुंबु मांखा हंगांगे आवन ता खाकजां खा बेलायखेन
द हंगे आं yang tai खरखासिनि ओ आनि सुमाय म्यूजिक वीडियो नि एक्टर Bono Bahino, first of all, I would like to congratulate for the title you got, you received for Northeast Mega title.
Yeah.
Okay, Bahima Tong Hino Nung Bahino, Chini by Nilogiwa, Tai Katanza production by Samoklai, Tai Nini, all experience Bahai, I won't kiss us Sawikan.
Katanza Acto Bonapi usually remember. P by Samunkai, Mane and Belang Tontoka, Kaksanka, because Bini among Samung like bini video non chang nai hege chaimon bini quality bahai bo lokorno tang fununa nai so joton chaja go so abagi jotoni like kaisa dream tong that khathan sabai samung khainani so ani babo kaisa dream tong when that if ang khai ka engke khathan sabai sajase khainai so abono ano dream purangi tongma ba so ang belai ni khaksang ho and pino belai hambai mario ba no opportunity ma bangai and ano bo music video kaham guide khaika ang kaham experience ma kha and kaham no ang oni kisu surmung man kha so abonta
da belai hambai ge haino hai chini tai khoraksa belai no special guest. Another special guest we have tonight with us, that is none other than our the most popular singer, Novonil Chakma. First of all, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
I would like to know, how do you feel working with by our sister Sharmili Debbarma, and how was your experience?
Yeah, well, see today, I mean, this song that we have come for the promotion. This is my third project, and the very first was back in during COVID 2020s, mine and Soro with this song, and it was a very great experience for me because it was because of her that I got the chance to work in this Kokborok industry music, you know, this thing. So since then, she's been helping me with this what do you call, while singing mispronunciations, like I cannot speak Kokborok, right? She's been helping me with these compositions and all, like understanding these conversations, everything. And after that, I worked with her for another project that is there was a tribute song for late one of the late singers, and even we had so much of fun over there. And this is the third one, and this is the third one, right? So it's a very like wonderful experience that I've been getting it till now. So I have to get.
Okay, tell us about the song. What does the song means, and who wrote the lyrics actually? Is it by yourself or someone wrote it for you?
About it,
And
like,
who did the composition?
yeah, as far as I know, the Anisimai means like I think my promise.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
And about it was written by her, I think Sister Sharmili, and it was composed by brother Sekang and Parmitari. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, ang baino phak thangana hainai chengte bo music video bukhakte saiman lani abon yago tini to chini ora khoroni singer phaisa phaisa bolong ni khokte ba ang ro chamung khanai mana ne ang kha khayo ge phaide to bo ang baini thekate bo saimana mu chungo je o je ani smai hne je or title tam no one sogui nang bas nam ka hai ke lyrics of bu hai no bu experience omu boda chini je real evidence by real life no te best hai Hamjakma ni amorong tik has hai
same thing no actually jefrang jekuno samung eba sina thango a time ang tam khlai sakang title kari nang raw যেমন তংসালামা
টাইটেল বনো সং খাকসং ফাই থাম তো অমলে মা নাই নাই
যেমন তাবুক তংসালামা ফ্রাং তংসালামা পুইলা দুইটা ওয়ার্ড সে কারিগ্রাও same thing o anis maibo title no sangang kariu nga tengsalama ni tengsalama time o sai bai ka tange abong ka that anis mai hingkang ke actually ani promise haya da ba ani my promise so kabang ma borong no eba nini ani tabuk hayungo je tong nai jotoni no kaisa imang eba kaisa promise tong jang om hai khlai nai ang tini kaisa mani no kang gari pai nai ebang nok ani dream tong nok snam nai ebang parents rong be kaisa da kuno mahasa khlai kalang mano eba lukurong ni be ang kaisa kuno da khlai kaisa bkhaw kaisa jotoni tong ye da ba promise so abo haino but this time mo hanggang ke or samungo hanggang ke ba khorok nei tabo hik sai ba hamjalai tong nai fanang kha borok boma haike মানে কাইসা করং তংনানি বাগে হোল লাইফ থানানি বাগে যে প্রমিস রিলাই মানি খাতুং মানি আবো কনিনি বিসিং বসক হামদাং মংতং অবনো তৈনো আনি সমাই বংনি হামদাং মংনো ফুংনা বাগে না আংসে কিয়া লিরিক্স তো tabuk releasing pro khna se nai tang I think the two lines from ro khnai mana na
ge bai tai kaisa ko ngang kai o je music video khaijak mani mo bu mai thayok khaijaka ba chini hasteo simida khaijaka na gubun hasteo bo thang khaijaka
obo actually Tripura bo khlai jaka jeta Tripura o ang mane Tripura ni bisingo ngai manu je san mung tongo music video bisingo ngai Tripura khlai jaka then phataro thangka abo hungkang ke Arunachal Tawang belai ke nai thok jaga and ang kisa thanda jaga bo kisa prefer khayo shoot ni bagi hingangge tam ni hingangke makeup rong ni matter tongo chinoro tam suksung technically am suk strong ya khoje thangai ya kone kaisa fan dok phano salok lai shoot khlai na ni hingangke thanda jaga aboni bagin duto jeta ani actor actress ro comfort zone tong thun makeup ro nosto tang thun then ani o music video hangke requirement mo tong mani ang phataro thangna ni thanda jaga o thangna ni so abon bagin Arunachal choose khlai jaka I hope video o fully Arunachal to phunugui maya jesek phunung mansak tu mukha tabok audience ro boma kya abone accept khai eba lukur nayan ta
gang also bukhakte ang yang thanam sungu ta bahai tawang kaise erom thanda jaga जों तो ताऊ मासिं हाब का ताकले बिसिनि डिसेम्बर हाय मलो जों बेलायनो गोजांगो आं सासे ताब गोजां माबाय कंग्राय एंगे खरां आन बगला देरा जागनो तामके नोंनि एक्सपीरियंस बाहाय का तावां हाय कासे थान्दा जागाव खायने बंनि तामके म्यूजिक वीडियो निबो कासे कासे सीन दङ जे नों बो हायनो शॉट नों बो हाय सीन मानानै जों ड्रेसिंग रबो जों फॉलो मा खायो गा आ जागा बाहाय एक्सपीरियंस का गोजां मारो बेलाय दां खाना शूटिंग खायमा जागा कुनु प्रॉब्लम बा इश्यूज ऑफ द फाइगा
कसang malay kasang ka but kaha overall kaha experience nong ka jaga wa be jaga no gi kasang ma si pobi thang ka
gai salbusur romai arunachalo shooting pai kha da salbusur robi
around 6 to 7 days mane total mo khainai ka hingeta asal no 6 to 7 days nang khata a project nang
okay faidi ang tabu request khainai chini khorak nai do je main singer chini especially Novonil I would like to request you to please sing some lines for us
Very good shape, so I'll just be singing too.
Okay,
like
yeah, sure.
It's like Lang ma choy bo ki fele mani bo ke thang tong gay bo ayang ma sing so gay bo sangsar sa chungano ya kare kelang bo nung na tong mani nung na tong go nung na tong na yo bekao.
Oh wow, such a melodious song. Really, I appreciate your voice. I really love this song. I hope the people watching us in all over the state, especially in our state, they will surely love this music video, especially your voice. You have contributed such a beautiful song in the past few years also. I hope this song is going to be a huge successful in our state, and I hope the people will love this. Okay. Kanai ma kalbin khokte ching belanya khorang kitoi tam gangke oma hai singer rok ching tabung jaro kom no go tam gangke auto tune use khayo tam ke sing je raw voice sing kaham no mani abo belanyo man thogya ba oma hai talent kom so I really appreciate your voice because it's the way you sing it's like there is no microphone here and there is no auto tune right you just sing a song directly with raw and with your vocal I hope there was a guitar with us and some music here it will be more better but let's just hope for the fun nge phadi angte bo simon lainai chini o music video no tei no tabo chung to no gui tong tripa has jo kabang ku no chung music video khale mani no ngai oma haike no chung no gui mano kabang ma producer ro tongo ngai of music video khaithane ba hanem bum suk jora tei je expenses of thanga ba overall busuk sabo produce khake abu angke simon mu chu
Actually, orang tu kebang mana tak tahu macam mana Tripura tu, tapi sana thang angke seng Jepur cengo. Time tu kerino hinmano and normally audience support se mangraya. After YouTube ta masuk saya mangraya. Tabuk tu sal pakai angke, phung pakai angke link mang se share kajang no. Tabuk tu huge amount of mana cini music video release no. But abo budget different nang nama be Alka production house, Haika production house. But orang tu produce kaitani tu ang nok layo, katan sana hinggang gitu. Bishing te koyak jana but ani je close panang ka ba ani manai rok panang ka. Jadi kan kena masuk ngapur I think sponsor kaya rok some amount and expense to tunggu. Mana Jeffuru nang quality video tu nani. Time expense thangu no. Tam hinggang ke overall nang rasa mung no regai bini jewelries then bini costume bini juta hoi te shuru ke bebak jaga no mana shigo tam nang afro quality phayo nai thokke nugri na nang nai ble na tabu actor moma hai ke masangi tongkha bori bai chungkhang ke bo part of ke masang nai abo joto no ke rangkring ke to abo khlai maya nang bakhau simi simi mokolo simi nugui tonga na rang to nango ke o music video to thanga huge no tabu exact proper amount to ang saglak pia ba like if buino nai kyang ke buini production house no nai kyang ke but huge amount no every time no loklai jago kubui ko gabo jeta inke aboni bagina I think audience rogbo maybe quality hine ano sasawo abo to ang ane samung sang khai thango but audience je response mano quality hambo quality ni bagai chaja gong ke tang bale khatongo abon mane khaksang ma mano ta ma ge saja kangke ang to ane samung je khai thango nge tak bui mokol bai je nungnai rok siwa ha adama nge so quality to na gangke expensive nai no rang ongkhor nai no ongkhor ma ongkhor nai no I see
tam ke chung nogui botongo chini खा थानसा प्रोडक्शन बिसिंगते जय कुनो वीडियो फोटो बजाक मानी अब बेलाइनो नेक्स्ट लेवल बेलाइनो यूनिक हिंदी जतो कॉस्ट्यूम नि हिंदी सिंगिंग नि हिंदी वीडियो डायरेक्शन नि जतो न संग लोकेशन बहानि संग प्रिफर खायो काहाम जागा थांगनि संग चिनि वीडियो न ते क्वालिटी नाके ग फाइदि आं ताबो चिनि जे गताल म्यूजिक हाफारो बा वीडियो हाफारो फाइनाय चिनि मि सामजंमा रियांग आं तेबो साइमनन मुचुंगो बिन बिसिंगते बहाइनो म्यूजिक रचाबमानो कारी बा अमहाय निनि वीडियो खाइन मुचुंग मारन हॉबीज न कारी नंग बाय प्रोफेशन बाहाकेनिन बाय स्टडीज नंग तामरो खाइतो आबरबो चिनि नाइतंग ले करन साइखना
So ang ani UG hingka hingke to ang pai kha economics media te political science so ang BA pai kha ta tabu ang masters first year khai to nehuwa journalism and mass communication ta
gatai amar bisung tin saimana muchungo rechap mani tai amahai music ne hafar tangmani karini ne hobby sok tam muchung marok tamo amar bo saikna
ani muchung mani rong ke ekdom simple si actually like ang kisa to mane bui busao kya shiring type ta tong ke ani hingka ke jemon khum kaina ro hingka ke music to ma tong no like sometimes ang acoustic to like guitar ro ke pon ang phone dog off khai mane nature ro time spend khai ni am hai mar ke no aram nang jagota hingka ke abun ani hobbies ro like ani free time mang khang ke ang nature ro time spend khayo hingka ke nobar ni khona ro khanao am hai rokta hangke ko leaves rok na yo hai nam hai ke no time pass khai tok ja
music ni kok saka ba sing to nogoi mon chini miss hamjamori ang no belai no social media ro go bahani guitar plus ukulele rok tamai chama bonogo guitar tamani nang bahai ke seranga samno nogoi pule inspired ngai nang angbo I bari phano angbo guitar le tamai nai nai ang toy joy resap nai borok bahai ke nang guitar seranga
actually ang puilawa hanggang ke obviously ani ang belai kana big fan tongmani ta afro arman malik ni ang afro samoyo pura arman malik ni ekdom fan page rok suru sikhu logo instagram rok sakang phai rok afro sang buserai khu ang ke afro ang bonon nugu ko guitar rok tamai resap mani hanggang ke tial ka je afro ni je emerging YouTubers no ba prang no guitar rok tamai resap mani hingke ani am tikhano ko guitar serngna ni hinggang ke ani ichha phai ka puilawa hingke am hai ke no ani puila inspiration ko full like music kaya ning kan ke puilawa inspiration tongmani no arman malik ta
emne guitar sermani kuno ke coaching nawi da teacher nawi da sermana saichung sermani
ang sermani da abo hangkan ke apro ang shillong go puila no kisan nok rogo serengka but apro ang kaisa music institution hai join khai ka kisani bagai ko olo yakar bar kha hai pero mane beginner level ni ang aza ga thangi serengka ta mane school pai khan ke na thangi serengu am hai ta
tam ke guitar kaisa instrument tamna ni ang bu guitar tamu sing se puila sereng pro yashiro ku bai nai busa cost hai di ba na ka amono bahage nang life hai ka
ang apsomoyo ani yashiko khan ke aro kufur ang thayan ba ang kya abuna si tong thogai bina show off khayo ai guitar tamai ani yashiko khan ni mane bina phone gota photo rok bu hai no status rok ra go pa guitar tamai ani yashiko khan mane aske passion nang mane asomoyo
ang highly appreciate khayo tam gang ke buri rong ta ang especially ani personal views aba ang guitar rok tamai ra chamano hangke belanyo appreciate khayo tai ang bunyo recommend khainai buri hini batam ba chung tabu gender equality chung ke na ke bu abu khaimi hai ji buri rok sa tabung se society ote bo kuchuk lamo sing himan no to ge phai ang tabu chini tini album ni lead actor boy bahan kok salai nai ge takhuk adong jamatia nang to taklai bisini mega Mr North East ni winner kai nini o joto show ni bahai experience ka nang buma hai level buma hai competitors by malai kya bu stage abarong ti kisa saikna
actually ani journey to belain ka hamnang kha ang pula like ang o modeling hafaro thane hene wan sumaya but again jimin like ano ani dolung thu ani relatives thu ba joto no like ano sao like nang model ro thane nang nayo ro ni nang gisa boni ni hai do gunang ni amo jolai dok tong am dek mang sao yo so
bu recommend khayo ta
ni recommend khayo so salse ka wanchu ka let me give a try am te ne and suddenly I guess in 2021 afro mega Mr North East ni anaro wild card entry so payo because afro like chini tiprasa ni bisingo like ke bo chini tiprasa represent kindness kari tipra no jotono oino jar ni mangsi So bagai borok like tiprasan chin tiprasani bising muzau ta represent khani tiprano represent khani muzau. So am they great but ang afro thangna le muzukha tongthok thanga mana call fibro war kani din call fibro but thanglia because ang physically be prepare mentally be prepare. So ang ke thang ang ke jiti final jakin thana muzuk mani. So then after that I prepare khaika Mr. Notice tamu saimang kha bini bising bera research khaika and then this year 2023 okay thanga and thangai onek competition hain tongmani because I know state up to again jimino compete khai pemani because in about 13 edition cholei tong so onek high level competition tongmani but as money by God's grace ang iko ani tiprasani omono tiprano notice no mane thepai kaw ma khata yaon
belaino kungchungna ni kok tam ningangke tipra so bosong ni bisingo omono puila chini takho mithun to boto onyo jaga bini to level onyo jaga no borok bo chini tipra so bosong culture ni sin tradition ni sini sinimung no national level of utlangi thaka am hakino cheng adong ni bukhakte bhaino cheng belaino khatorna ko kungchungna ko tam ningangke nung sak bai thang ar jaga winner ngi phaimania tamke nung as a state as a tiprasa nung jotono cheng no represent khaine cheng winner ngi phain bagai belaino cheng nona hambai maya pharo tam ningangke omahai sorogo cheng nogui manya chini tiprasa bosong bisingo thanai asuk jora rogo cheng asuk nogui manya tamke final sabo bai competition ngkha mane bu state ni bu bisine tough ni bagai face ma khakena
final tough competitor to as always Manipur no because Manipur to onek like amti pageant show rogo onek agogjak sini India ni bisingo notice ni bisingo na khanke Manipur rogo onek agogjak to and final lo top 5 ungo a jaga Mizoram Nagaland Tripura ni ang and Manipur khorong ni tong mani angke a jaga ni bising ko pila Mizoram saglai jaka second Nagaland ye last song saglai jaka am thinke Manipur ni even though boren tough competitor tong phono this time inglia ta
tam ke taklai bisio sini ti process te tough competitor ngi thanga ka ba hai di ba ngai om hakino tabuk to nang winner ngi phake ba 2023 bisini mega Mr. Abnotis ni ngi bus kangoni ni nahar mung tam nang tebo Mr. India hai ke om hai ke ma pageant sorong ni ba ga nang bus kango thangna da ba thangi to
ang tabu same jeta ang Mr. Notice thangma hai 2021 ring jafan ang thanglia because ang prepare ya tabu same am the keno Mr. India ni bang prepare khai tongo because international pageant thanang ke kaisa like title holder mango Mr. India ni so Mr. India ji dekhe sime se like international pageant thangi mano so ang calculation ka 2 years ni bangai nga 2 years pore Mr. India thangnai and Mr. India thangai ani angisa major pageant aim khayo Mr. Supranational hangi Mr. World rogo so kha khayo ani aje aim kam karen thangnai hene abun masuri chano god nobo so abun ani tak baskani aim o pageant no ba modeling no ti abun
sung suri nai chungbo support khanye tam ke chini tipra sabo song ba chini bai si ba chung bai sung support khale ke ta sap khane ba heri ba nge sung suri nai nin bagai chung kha mor honai chung jotono pre khane chini takhok adong Jamatia bo north east ni title man ma haikino kaisa country ni as a country ni bo haino nang korsa tipra san te mung ku jogut lang theng sung abu bus kang jaro no all the best for your all upcoming nini joto song ni bagai nge Fadi chung taibo kok salanya chin tai khorson arbai so brother Novonil
Yes.
why don't you directly go for a music video as I can see you're very handsome actually this is the first time I'm meeting with you like in person that's why so as of now how many music videos or how many music have you sang already
To be very precise, I started back in 2020. Like I also have a YouTube channel personally. I have around 5 music videos over there, and for others that I have sung, there will be Kokborok songs. Kokborok songs will be like, including this, it will be I think 4 or 5.
Kokborok song.
Yeah, and there are many more songs that are to be released yet. That is on pending. Overall, altogether till date, since 2020, I have recorded about 15 to 16 songs.
All together.
Yeah, since 2020. Yeah.
So what are those songs that you have sang in Kokborok? That is presently the Anishmai, and earlier it was
first it was No Shaveri Kheba. After that there was one song that was composed by me that was called Nini Bagi, and then I think it was even another song was there. it was released recently. That was Nungshiani. It was with by Sorobi, and then we did a cover on this Khati Jagni, and even in this there was Tripura anthem for Tripura Moth. I think I was a part of it. Yeah, and then it will be this song. I think.
Yeah. Since we have been listening to Kobrok song, why not we listen to Chakma song, right? So I would like to request you to sing one which you like to sing most in your title, in your language.
You want me to sing a Chakma song?
Yeah, Chakma song.
Okay. There's one song, like it's called Somare Nezan. It was back in 2022 that I went. Sajune madan gai gai huduzar hoveni onagor nangan hitor ake dono dego tore adamot hona oforan adaman hudutor gai gai zuniza siksike zunipat gai gai zuniza siksike zunipat halle hobe seke monor hoda tor 1 2 3 somare nezana sangat nezana to somare yo for more nezana.
Wow. This song it's like we can vibe around whole day, nah? Like just swing our hands like this. So tell us about this song, about how you written this song and
see about writing songs. You know, I'm just good at composing and maybe a bit of singing. But these lyrics, most of the lyrics are written by my uncle, you can say, or other persons that provide me the lyrics. I'm very bad at lyrics. I'm very bad at vocabs and I cannot write lyrics. Simple as that.
So tell us about the song. I mean, what does it mean? The
it
song.
Means Somare Nezana means maybe I might be wrong. Logio Tulangjo or something like that. I'm not very much good at it. It's like the song starts with like Sajune Madan, like during evening time. Like, where are you heading? Alone.
Take me with you.
Yeah. Will you tell me where your home is? Something like that. I'm also lonely. Just take me along with you. Yeah, like that. Take me as your company, and yeah.
So, is there any chance that our Novonil Chakma and our Miss Hamjakma Reang that they are going to sing a song together in future?
Obviously, why not? If like we have proper plans and even you are in this one college right now, right? Masters. Once she finishes, because she's not here, na? She going Shillong. Once she finishes it, and like we're all together in the same place, we can do it, na? No issues.
Yes, nge phaide jeng to pandani painan bukhak bu thangi tong trek tamke ang tebo saiman laine baini bukhak te bahaino tabuk to sing ani samai to nugui man khang ke mo bu sing trailer to nukha tabuk bu de do mo release nan bukhak thangi tong abo ke sai
abo hungkang ke 1st January 2024 tamne hungkang ke ang ketal bisi ketalo taksin new year tring to phaina tong bas tango haipano tabuk chini je new year ang lukurong ni be kaisa ketal present khlaina mo songo tamne hingkang ke jotono jar bakhakti je sapano rena mo songo ha da new year so ani bakhakti hingkang ke ang to entertainment line tong ma ba music tong ma ba ang wansuka new year kaisa ani audience ani tiprasa ba je ano follow khai tong ne khatan sano follow khai tong ne bong ni bagi ketal renai so premiere hingkang ke 31st December aro hungkang ke chini je oroni artist rok tong nai borok sagang nai gra nai then awon pore feedback then 1 tarikh hungge channel ro nai
sung bet sung to khalo na sing tong tam ning nge kha thansa production ba je kono music video phaimani abo belaino success bo ongo tam ning ke borok ni khao ba haino torogoi thango aro chapmung music video ajagani casting crew jotono belaino kaham no perform khayo haini bagai ang all the best tewaisa baino congratulations je trailer tai bus kang jorani bagai ngoma hakino ani samani yagulo next project tamo ongnai tamo theme tamo topic but tamno tei ingnai abo kisa idea ri khai cycle sidi
bas kang ta kaisa tongo abo more release khlai ba men pore khlainai aro casting crew kisa kabang then abo hanga kicha tabo kong ni kong masamung to kabang mon soli tong do pia ba ajaga hanga masatu de ni bisingo pa no kisa side ke na singmaro no kisa tamphina ni ukolok kisa naughty part khai no kisa jalo goi hamjang mane ro mane kisa naughty mane nugnai dance ni bisingte dance means amoya je like ekdom huge ekdom loud music amtia haipano music video ngai kisa tongnai
Chill out
kisara
khajame
nai
ta
ara
ama
kitang go
kisa.
tongnai so abo bus kango phai tongo cast and crew to already chong paisa already rasamu rasam nai bono rasawai tongo Novonil no aro paramita tongo then te khorong ni tongo ani khorok sa katal singer bri tongnai then chala hangkai I think te khorok sa tongnai abo already demo razak tabuk jeffro sanam nai after music katal kari khlai nai ta abo I think hamjagana naigra ta bahai tamu
kok abo to sajana kok ya chini baini project je kono khaide abo hamjagi thangi angi simaya hamjagnai jotono lokorok joton support khaine phadi tam hangke chung to Novonil theka to chung ra chamung kene kene khaina rakha ge tabuk chini te khoroksa the most sensational singer ang bini khokti bahaino hamjak bukuk hamjak mari angno bahaino koinai request khainai je kono kaisani ni hamjak kuk mani chapmum English Hindi phano chamon English ba kobrok angno request khaine tam ke chungno nai tano joto chine hasan lukurok no haino bong ni bu koimung tongo ba kisa sa phaike ra sabrdi ngai ge tamur chamun ra chap nai
tau to masing jora amani bagai kisah ko ngara manjak to so asu kolok to resap lag hebono ani one of the favorite song kong borong resap shiwana ni nikhani ari so ar ni kaisa partner resap shiwana 2-3 lines
da
lang ma tong shat nung no ani pai thak puila imang muk thang nung no shuri mawo shan mawo ni ya piri thansha na 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 nung no ani lang ma ni khani ari wo no angle tong namu chungo ni khani thayo no angle tong na shano asung bagai
ba khapang serang lo mani ta bai ro no ta ang khasi bini kholang khana oi bin chamung khana khendari ma to si bai to khrai to khana bin logil
sima wang te
aw tam ke ang bo khorok sa music no hamjak nai borok no ang bo chabu to bo tamo to bo ke phaidi chini borok to bongni racham rok no gui chung joto na hase ganang joto na hamjago ge phaidi am hakino chung to panan paithabu thangin tongo to bukhe ang tewaisa joto chini khathanja production ni joto crew joto members norni upcoming music videos especially o ani samai belaino title bukhna tok belaino music video banai thangnai singer bo obviously chini takhok Novonil tomoba bini khorang no bahai lokorok joto na hamjago gang kha khayo o music video belaino super duper hit engnai belaino successful engnai okay abuni bising te bahai bai panda panyan sekang nang chini jodi tomono kok kachana musung gang ke nang chin nai tong lokorong bai kok kachari man
belai ke hambai tini o joraman kha ang ani audience bani public ro bai connect nani norong ni bagai ek tarigo phai tongo o ani samai so norok jesse gani baskang ni thanai lai thangnai project na support khlai ga amo haike no omono bo support khlai di tam ningke oro tini katal ani katal ni face hamjangma to katalia phano bo as a debut acting ong to katal no then Adong tongo they bebak je crew bongno jotona support khaide I hope norok Adong and hamjangmani chemistry norok belai ke hamjagana angkha khlayo abono sanam
okay ang haino hai chini bukhok hamjagmari angno bu konai nang chini nai tong lokorong no bagani ni fans sok ni bagi special nang tam ko kachana musung
so ang tutono sana musungo that chini video releasing tongo 1st of January New Year 2024 so tapok di norok releasing kan kino abaro nainari because chung to tapok hafaro puila mane newcomer so chung hope khai tong norok ni full support manai hinai hangang ke ya amono stay healthy stay fit mentally physically abona ang norok no kaisa message na musunga no
okay haino hai yang bo haino chini takhok Mr Mega Northeast nang bahai tamo nin fans ong ni bagai nin nono je follow khai tong nai rok chung to nogoi mano khorok sa chin ti prasa oma hai level o thangai title mane phang ke bono nogoi bahai no tai kubon chini sikla rok bono follow khai no borok hope khai tong I ang bo chini dara hai engnai chin dara adong hai engnai ni bui wan hui tong ga aborong ni bagai nam ni je follow khai tong na ni fans ong ni bagai nang tam ko ko chana mo
pela no dara no belake hambai chini khorang ho chung ojora ka hamri ma bangai je ano nai follow khai tong nai ba je o modeling career ba pageant career o thana mo junai rong no ang belain support khaina mo jo because ang te mo jo o chini tipra ha ni te bo am te phaina ni bangai tak buskang salo ingese chini o tipra ha te bo mane singjang nai bin buskang o te bo saima nai je chin tipra saru kam te tongbayo ne chin tipra ha onek jon ni kwangma talent tong ba recognizing ya am thing ya so abono ang musung nai and musungo that upcoming tebo amte phaithong tebo mane je interested tonai ro tebo mane motivating ei phaithong chinti prahani mu tisathong abuna musung nai
nge phaidi hai no hai so brother Novonil, what will be your message to the people out there watching you, especially your fans?
To my followers, I would like to thank everyone. And despite the fact that they know that I cannot speak Kokbrok, but I'm singing Kokbrok songs, they have been supporting me till date, with a lot of love. So yeah, I'm very much grateful to them, and I hope they'll be providing more love to this upcoming music video. And I hope I'll tell them to stay tuned to Khatansa production and wait for 1st Jan 2024. Thank you.
Okay, Jotto na hambai, nai tong na Jotto Khazanta huktai buhuk sa no koine hani hoi te waisa. By Sharmili ni production ni o Khatansa production by Snamui tu bujak tai kaisa belai no naithatok romantic hamjak laimani tai kaisa music video sikli rong ni bagai joto chini naitona joto tipra salu korong ni bagai belai no naithatok kaisa music video tu bujagi tongo abono ongkha ani semai ni kaisa music video tu bujagi tongo norok joto no kebo naina ni ta pokbaidi dati no release nan bhag thangi tongo haini bagai joto no khalogo naising tongbaidi tai joto no music video no support khaidi oma hakeno buskang jora bahani sung chini Khatansa production bukhakte tebo omai naithatok rechapmung romantic emotional ba hindi dancing omai podre pod berem ni rechapmung tai music video rok tu bujagi tongo haini bagai joto no Khatansa production support khaidi oma hakeno joto no khulombai kha tinin bagai asang hisdeng haino hai joto no hor kaham
Lang ma chohi bo ki feeling mani bo
그 단 동이 보 하얀 맛이 쇼비